So what is personal injury protection? It's also known as PIP, or in Florida, we commonly refer to this as no-fault insurance. PIP, personal injury protection benefits, are benefits that you purchase through your own insurance company that provide usually up to $10,000 of money to pay for medical treatment and/or lost wages. And there's a formula that comes into play. So if you're involved in a car crash, and remember, PIP benefits only apply to motor vehicle collisions, not slip and falls, not other types of accidents. But if you're involved in a car crash, you must go see a medical provider within 14 days of the crash in order to be qualified for your PIP benefits. If you don't go within the first 14 days, your insurance company is almost certainly going to deny those benefits if you try to seek medical treatment outside of that 14-day window. But if you do go see a doctor within the first 14 days, then your treatment, your initial wave of treatment, should be covered through your personal injury protection benefits. So most people after a car crash may go to the emergency room, maybe they first go to their family doctor, maybe they go to a chiropractor, but usually people will begin with what's called conservative therapy, whether it's a chiropractor or a rehab center, some physical therapist. That first wave of treatment can usually last anywhere from 2 to 4 months, sometimes a little longer, during which you get massage, electrostimulation, hot cold packs, hydrotherapy, chiropractic treatment, traction, spinal decompression procedures, a number of other different types of what we call conservative treatment modalities. And so that is the initial wave of treatment where your PIP benefits come in handy. They will pay for the chiropractic care. It pays at a formula where they pay 80% of the bills up to a limit of $10,000. Another thing that it's helpful with are MRIs. Plenty of doctors want to order MRIs if you're not improving to find out if you do have any more serious injuries. Did you suffer a herniated disc in your neck or your back? Did you tear something in your knee or your shoulder? So MRIs show that, and it's helpful to have this insurance. If you don't have PIP benefits, if for some reason you're not qualified for PIP benefits, or if your PIP benefits are exhausted, which happens in almost every case if people do treat several months with a doctor after a car crash, we can still help you get the medical care you need through a letter of protection, which is basically an agreement that you sign, the doctor signs, and our office signs, saying that they'll continue to treat you and provide whatever additional medical care you need. But once we make a recovery for you in your case, we have to settle up with them for their bills at that time. So PIP benefits are very helpful. Florida is one of the states that provides those. Make sure you do see a doctor after a car crash within the first 14 days. They'll bill your PIP benefits and give you a chance to hopefully feel better, make a good recovery, but also to get an understanding from your doctors how big a deal or not big a deal your injuries are. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO or chat with us live anytime at trialpro.com.